Sina Brent at Mika, inaalala pa rin si Bianca.
May masabi ba tayong masama?
Inasas naman natin lahat, Brent eh.
Akala ko pa nga pabor yung face-to-face, at least alam nila.
Yeah, ako din. Actually, hindi, baka nasaktan lang talaga siya kasi nga close ka sa amin dalawa. Close kami talaga eh. Pero naiintindihan niya, for sure naiintindihan niya. Kailangan niya lang talaga ng time.
Samantala si Bianca, emosyonal pa rin at dinadamayan ni Shuvi.
Are you affected by the reasons or like just because you're nominated?
None of the above. Saktan lang ako sa isang tao. Wala akong pakialam sa nominations. Reasons yun kasi tanggap ko na yan noon pa. Na, I feel like hindi ko lang talaga na-expect magaling yan from Mikmik.
Close din naman niya sila Isnir. Same reason, same number of points. Pero bakit nakikipagtawanan siya kina Isnir tapos sama yung loob sa atin? Parang hindi ko maintindihan ng part.
Mas love niya tayo. For sure. Love na love tayo ni Bianca. Kaya din siya na ganyan.
From Mikmik and Brent. Especially these past few days, diba? Sa kanila ako nag-open. Saman lang.
Na-feel ko na ngayon kung tama ba or mali yung yun lang naman.
Doesn't matter. We made the decision. We have to be firm with it.
Si Shuvi nagbukas na rin ng saloobin kay Bianca tungkol sa naging pagboto ni AZ.
Gave you 3 points because nung unang pasok mo, you mentioned a lot about the outside world to many of us here.
What did we do to deserve this? I paid for that punishment. I hate it. Coming from her. I hated that was coming from her. I protected her. Para hindi siya maging masama sa ibang tao, I had to do that. Even if I had to face those and then coming from her, wow! Akala ko talaga, Bianca, na pagbayaran ko na yun. Just the feeling of being nominated so hard. But let's keep on fighting. I won't stay in this phase for too long. It's just that it hurts me coming from hearing those words from Isa. Sakit. Like, parang tinudurog yung puso ko.